Most people use AI like autocomplete. Type a generic question, gets a generic answer, and concludes the AI is useless. The problem isn't the model. Watch how most people ask AI about a real decision. Should I change careers? And it gets 12 generic points. It's the difference between pair programming and copy-pasting from a forum. The same information exists in both, but one of them is actually working the problem with you and on your code. Here's the version that works. Before asking, write the brief you give a paid advisor. My savings runaway is this many months. My constraint is a mortgage and a kid. I have tried these two things and here is why each failed. My honest fear is that I'm romanticizing the alternative. Now ask the question and don't ask for an answer. Ask for the argument. Make the strongest case for staying. Now, the strongest case for leaving. Now tell me what someone who knows me would say I'm not admitting. The generic prompt gets you a listicle. The context-rich prompt gets you something closer to a board of advisors. One that has read everything, holds no stake in flattering you, and doesn't get tired of the topic like your friends politely do. The quality jump isn't 10%. It's a different product entirely. And it costs 3 extra minutes of typing, or if you're speaking, it's even quicker. That's what I would recommend. One honest warning though, AI has an agreeable streak. Researchers call it sycophancy, and it's measurable. Frame the question with your preferred answer showing, and it will happily argue your side back to you with confidence. That's why you force it to argue both directions. The disagreement is where the value is, and the final call stays yours. A thinking partner sharpens your judgment. It doesn't replace it. Take one decision you've been chewing on and spend 3 minutes writing the real brief. Constraints, history, fears, then ask for the argument, not the answer. Because autocomplete finishes your sentence. A thinking partner questions it.